Okay, you're rolling me down the Riverwalk.
Yep, we're free rolling. And there's a hill coming up. Should I let you go?
No, please
you need
don't.
to really be free rolling.
Oh, okay, please don't. Okay, so those of you who have not been following along, I'm in a rollator right now because
She needs a new hip joint.
yeah. So I'm kind of the not so mobile Mikesell, and
Well, she's mobile.
yeah, I'm mobile because you're pushing me.
Better than
a lot
hurting.
of alternatives. Yes,
That's for sure.
yeah.
Hopefully that's why while we're here in Laughlin, we can, it's right next to Bullhead City, and we can get you fixed up and repaired. So we're here for an extended stay, so to speak. And we were hoping for the best.
Yeah,
It may take a little bit of time, but we're down for it.
yeah. It's exciting, and I get to roll like backwards. Yay! So I didn't bring the microphones, so we'll have to do video like this. So hopefully you can actually hear us.
Video au naturel. No alternate sound devices.
From over here you can see the center of the universe for guys, the Home Depot over in Bullhead City.
And right next to it is Sam's Club.
It has all the toys, for especially for people who have not been in civilization for a while.
Yeah, all the toys for men and boys.
Yeah, it's definitely not as windy today as it has been.
Not so bad you have to lean into it today, which is nice, as opposed to the last couple of days.
So here comes a tour boat.
I wonder if it's a 3-hour tour.
I don't know. I don't know if you see Ginger or Marianne, but there's more than 5 passengers on there.
That's true.
So hopefully the professor is there and can figure out how to make batteries work. But if not, Sam's Club is right across the river, so I think that they're set. I thought of everything here, between tour boats and airport that flies people in from several not so major cities from around the area.
Even Sioux Falls, South Dakota.
And Eau Claire, Wisconsin.
That's right. Do you know what Eau Claire stands for?
Where you were born.
No, what Eau Claire means in French.
I have no idea.
Eau Claire.
All clear, all clear. Oh, here comes
Eau Claire.
Oh, here comes the water taxi. And it's going to come into the picture right about now. Here it comes. It's passing the tour boat. And the nice thing about this is that when we're done with all this, we can just call and have the shuttle pick us up at the south tower of the casino and drop us off at our RV site. So we can be door-to-door service even though I'm using a walker. So till next time on our adventures, from Burl, the Mobile Mikesell, and me, the not so mobile Mikesell. Have a nice day.